boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a little bit about Google Maps to either refamiliarize yourself or teach you how to do it if you haven't done it before. So I'm on Google and I'm just going to type in Google Maps. First link, boom. This is what it should look like. The country Miss Ur and I have been learning about is Ireland. So I can just go ahead and type in Ireland and it will take me to the country of Ireland. The next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I switch to satellite view. Right now it has more like lines on the page, different colors. This gives me more like of an Earth, like if I was up in outer space, okay? This also allows me to get my little yellow guy who I can drop all over the country. See all that blue that lit up? That's any place that I can explore with my person. So let's go to Limerick, Ireland. So I'm now in the streets of Limerick, Ireland. How cool is that? So there's some statues, some signs, Rush House, Cedar Villa, Arrow Glass. A lot of statues. Maybe this is like a store of some kind. See my arrow? I can actually walk around. I feel like I'm at some like small market. Maybe there's like a lot of flowers, a lot of stones here. Oh, yes, I'm at the Stone Age Masonry and Construction Company. Guess we could work while we're here. Okay. So I'm just walking around. So you can see how just dropping myself into a random town, I'm kind of seeing some cool things and you know what kind of architecture they have. Their building is all made out of stone. Here's some cool archway. All of their different their grounds, their benches, their stonework. But you can also look up specific places. So I'm going to hit this back arrow. Okay, and instead of just going to Ireland, one of the places that people visit when they go to Ireland is the Blarney Rock in Ireland. It's also called the Kissing Rock, by the way. So now it says Blarney Castle temporary closed. That's probably due to the virus, but I can still visit it with my little guy. So we're going to actually go to this castle. Okay, so I'm just looking around. So here's the castle. You can see it. Okay, so same thing. I can like walk around. I'm just clicking and dragging my screen. That's how I'm getting these different views here. Okay. So I just went back. If you remember, there were all these blue dots around the castle. I just want to focus in more specifically. So I'm just going to hit these plus arrows and zoom into my castle even further because I actually want to walk around at the top here. Okay, so now I'm in the castle. I don't know if I'm upstairs, but no, not yet. See that? That's the line. There's a rock here that you lean backwards and you can actually kiss the rock. It's called the Blarney Stone. But I'm actually in the castle in Ireland now. So isn't that so cool? Okay. I'm going to see if I can get my guy to drop up at the top so you can see the rock. Okay, I was trying to get to the Kissing Rock myself, but I couldn't quite get there just yet. But I'm going to keep playing with it. But I wanted to show you these beautiful views of Ireland. Ireland has a lot of grass, a lot of nature. You can see it's even on top of this little area that they have covered to like eat under. Here's more of the walls and you can see all that wonderful stone structure. There's a lot of castles in Ireland as well. Here's the little ticket booth and then the stairs that lead you towards the castle. One of their little entrance. Okay, and you can see that the castle is built into the mountain and that's why there's so many steps. Okay, so again, you want to make sure that you are not in map view. Again, that looks different than satellite view. And you just want to take your little guy and drop him wherever it is you want to go. Whoops. Sorry. We're now outside the castle even further. And you could just type right in here whichever country you have. Again, if you have a specific attraction in mind, you can type that in as well. And you can walk around and explore. Have fun.